Legulus Domi. Brother, how stupid of me, of course.
Swan is right. So, why was it in the library? Who put it there, and why did you find it?
It doesn't matter who put it in the library or who found it. What matters most is to save your father. To save your father means to save the kingdom of Azur. Stop this argument at once and listen to Trapizo and Ramos.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I may not be able to interfere with fate, but there is something that I may be able to help you with. Please,